Bobby GRuff, huh? Oh, what's that troll's toe move? Oh, don't be cold. Don't step on no troll toes, or don't run up no troll nose in this store. Blowing trolls and flows that blows like chunky stuff only produced for and by trolls. So I don't know, because I'm the goat that sit on the bridge of a troll's nose like I'm playing hide and seek. I'm like, wait, ain't nobody looked at this troll in about the week. Now look, the troll nose starting to leak. I climbs up and hangs on to the whip up peak. Now Lord, the peak reeks like some make you go weak. Snow sneak worn by a troll who feet been stomped long plump for trying the baseline on some gold cleats that chomps and chomps troll me. TompeteRaw-Fi troll me. Bobby GRuff now chomps like a ashy monkey. A priest car caught laid out on the crack of bread and wine. I'ma call some drunk by Big GRuff, huh? Oh, what's that troll move? Oh, don't be cold. Don't step on no troll toes, and don't run up no troll nose, and it start blowing trolling flows that blow.